never give you an assignment that does not require purity. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. God will never give you an assignment that did not require you to pursue purity or holiness. Hakuna kazi Mungu anaweza kukupatia ambayo haihitaji kuishi maisha ya utakatifu. If he tells you to wash the church, he wants you to wash the church in purity. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. If he calls you to be a singer, a worshiper in church, that assignment goes with purity. If he calls you to be a pastor, God requires you to seek purity. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. God never gives an assignment that does not require purity. You're born again, you're called to purity. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. And therefore, without seeking and loving that assignment, that purity of God, we do little for God, can do a lot for man, but little substance, because purity and purpose go together.